Micro markets are not set it and forget it. Occasionally, you need to evaluate your stock and introduce new products. To really succeed, you need to listen to your customers and your data. Here's 4 steps you can take to successfully launch and test new products at your micro market. 1. Partner with suppliers. Do you have suppliers who want to test out new products? Take the opportunity to partner with them. Suppliers can share information about products that are popular in certain markets. Understanding your customer demographics is key here. 2. Use signage to share what's new. How you communicate with customers about new micro market products can make or break their success. There are a few ways you can do this. Develop eye-catching signage and place it around new products to draw attention. Use digital screens like those on Cantaloupe self-service kiosks for dynamic advertising. Create coupons or incentives for products in the Cantaloupe Go dashboard to drive interest in new products. 3. Hold regular customer events. Ever wonder why you go into big box stores and see product demos all the time? It's because they work. Try timing events at the same time as you do a market refresh, ideally once a quarter or every 6 months. Try holiday-themed events, customer appreciation events, and supplier-sponsored raffles or giveaways. These are great opportunities to get valuable feedback directly from your customer. 4. Analyze your sales data. Data is your friend. After you introduce new products into your market, you need to track their performance. Collect data on sales, customer feedback, and any other metrics you find relevant. Then analyze this data to understand what works and what doesn't. By building strong partnerships, communicating effectively, engaging with your customers, and making data-driven decisions, you can ensure that your product launches are successful.